We found the zebra stallion with a broken foot. Judging by the scars all over his body, he'd probably been fighting with another stallion. Although he was feeding, he was in really bad shape, and trouble was on the way. Even though he was injured, the hyenas were still wary of his vicious bite and fatal kicks. They knew they had to tire him out, and when a hyena grabbed him by the flank, he went down, but he wasn't out. As gruesome as this may be, the hyenas still killed him quicker than lions would do by strangling him. There was no chance for him now, but from somewhere he found some energy and fought back. But with the loss of blood and trauma, there just wasn't any more fight left in him. And by dawn he was just a bloodstain on the grass.